Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Capricorns. So on your side we have the Six of Pentacles. Let's see what are the energies of the person you're dealing with. The Nine of Swords. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Nine of Wands. Okay. So Capricorns, on your side we have the Six of Pentacles. You are trying to balance a situation, but there is some sort of imbalance here. Okay, somebody here, one of you is putting in more efforts than the other person. Okay, so the relationship here seems to be lacking the balance which is supposed to be there. So somebody here is having upper hand in the relationship, other one is not, and perhaps that is why it's showing up as the Nine of Swords on this person's side. This person is having a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension. This person is really suffering. Okay, this person is really not happy because of this imbalance. Perhaps the most likely outcome is the Nine of Wands. So this is, it's like it's been a long time in this situation. The results are not fruitful. Somebody is not able to get the results. It's waiting since a long time. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles on your side. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles on your side. So for the Six of Pentacles we have the Knight of Wands. Nine of Swords is showing up here also. Nine of Swords and the Page of Cups. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Swords on your person's side. So for the Nine of Swords on your person's side we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Wands as the most likely outcome. So for that we have the Queen of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords. So Capricorns, for the Six of Pentacles on your side we have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Swords and the Page of Cups. What I feel is that you are trying to balance the stress in you. That's what I feel. With the Nine of Swords being there, maybe you're trying to balance this stress within yourself in your own life, and for that you are trying to focus on your passions. You are trying to focus on what you really like in your life. Okay, so that is what I think you're trying to, that is what is imbalanced over here, and maybe that is affecting the relationship also. So it's all about the stress you have in your own life for some experiences, or maybe within both of you, and you are trying to manage it. You're trying to manage it by focusing on your happiness, on your goals, on your passion, something of that sort. Okay, and then we have the Page of Cups. So definitely it is a new beginning. It is a new beginning in love. It is a step taken in the direction of love. So what I feel is you will be able to restore the balance in some way, and you will be able to move forward in love or open up emotionally. That's what I feel. As far as your person is concerned, for the Nine of Swords we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Swords and the Eight of Cups. So this person is also seeing you as a committed person. It's like they view this relationship as a committed relationship, but both of you are stressed out for some reason. Both of you are stressed out for some reason. and this person is also working on, it's like they've left it to time. They are also focusing on their own healing, and they are also ready to leave the past behind and to move forward towards a new beginning. So this person is also trying hard to release the negativity. You are also trying hard to release the negativity basically and restore the balance. So both of you are dealing with your own stuff, I should say. Both of you are dealing with your own stuff. Maybe something has happened between both of you, or it is something else which is stressing you out, but definitely both of you are trying to deal with this anxiety in the best way possible, and both of you are ready to release the negativity and open up emotionally. For the Nine of Wands as the most likely outcome, we have the Queen of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So here what I feel is, it's like it's been a long time being single, I should say that. See, one thing more is coming to my mind here, that this anxiety and tension is regarding a committed relationship, which after a period of surrender and healing, somebody here is ready to leave the past behind and move on. Now this moving on can be towards something else also, because Page of Cups is also talking about a step forward in a new direction. So it is not necessarily towards each other. That is what I am seeing here also. It's been a long time being single. It's like being single, focusing on your own self, focusing on your rejuvenating yourself, thinking analytic. We have the cups, we have the pentacles, and we have the sword also. So there are emotions, but there is emotional maturity, I should put it that way. It's like dealing with the situation in an emotionally mature way, thinking logically, and then understanding that I need to focus on my own rejuvenation, I need to focus on my own self, on my own well-being. It's something of that sort. So in this situation, I should put it that both of you are stressed out, but somebody here is ready to work. You are ready to work on yourself, working on your passions, and with the Page of Cups is it's a new love, sort of step forward in a direction of new love. And over here what I feel is a committed relationship after a period of time is being released, and that is what I see in the outcome. Somebody being single since a long time, after thinking and analyzing in all the possible ways of emotions and logics, and the only thing possible here is that focus on your own self type of a thing. It's been a long time in that situation. Guidance here is number 24 may be of some significance for you. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.